In this video, you will learn how to install WordPress CMS on Windows PC. We will go with XAMPP because if you change your OS, the process doesn't change for you. First, you need to download and install XAMPP on your Windows. See the description below and follow my video on how to install XAMPP. Now let's get into it. Open your browser and go to wordpress.org. Click on the Get WordPress button. This will redirect you to the download page. Always download the latest version of WordPress. Now click on the Download WordPress button to start downloading the latest WordPress package. And then, save it somewhere on your PC. You'll receive a zip file with WordPress files in it. Extract the file, and there will be a folder containing the core WordPress files. Right-click on the zip file and click on Extract All. Click on Browse and navigate to the XAMPP directory. And then go to htdocs directory and extract WordPress. Now we need to open XAMPP control panel. Once the control panel is running, click the Start button beside Apache and MySQL to begin their functionality on your PC. If the background color of the names changes to light green, it means the modules are started and working properly. You can use the Stop button to stop them at any time. Now we need to create database for WordPress. Go to your browser and type localhost. You will be directed to the XAMPP dashboard. XAMPP contains MariaDB in it. So, you can create a database using it. Click on the phpMyAdmin link. It'll lead you to the phpMyAdmin databases dashboard. Now we will create a user and database for WordPress website. Click on User Accounts. And then click on Add User Account. Fill up the username of your choice. This is the username that WordPress will use to connect to MariaDB database. Also create a password for that user. I recommend to utilize the Generate Password tool provided by phpMyAdmin to make your site more secure. And then click on Create Database and grant all privileges option. This will create a database with the same name as the username you just put above. And also give this user the rights to access this database. After that, scroll down below and click on the Go button. As you can see, the database and user were successfully created. Now let's install WordPress. On the address bar, type localhost/WordPress and click to enter. If this WordPress installation panel appears, then you have done it excellently till this point. If not, then please recheck and repeat the previous steps. Select your preferred language and click Continue to proceed. This is just a welcome message and some informations. We can go ahead and click on Let's Go to proceed. Now we need to put the database information we just created in phpMyAdmin earlier. Then click on Submit. On the next page, click the Run the Installation button to begin the WordPress installation process. On the next page, input your site title, choose username, password and provide an email address. Then click the Install WordPress button. In a few seconds, you will have WordPress installed on your Windows locally. If you see this page, it means the installation is successful. Now click on the Login button. Input the previously chosen username and password to log into your Windows WordPress localhost website. You have successfully installed WordPress on Windows. That's all for now. If this video helped you in any way, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.